Well, not much action today with the bees. It's been rainy for 2 days now. I did check to make sure that they had a pollen patty and changed out their one-to-one sugar water yesterday, um, just to make sure that they had plenty of food. They're still building out a lot of comb, and I knew they weren't going to be able to forage today much, so um, there's the hive sitting out in the alfalfa field, and hopefully tomorrow or the next day we'll start getting some better weather. They can start getting out and foraging a little bit more, and continuing to build out that comb.